Shallow mount subwoofers are perfect for tight spaces. They fit easily in small cars and trucks. Despite their size, they deliver powerful sound. Many brands offer different models, making it hard to choose the right one. This guide will help you find the best options available. List number 1. Pioneer TS2500LS4 10-inch shallow mount component subwoofer. Experience exceptional sound with the Pioneer TS2500LS4 10-inch shallow mount component subwoofer. Designed for compact spaces, this subwoofer delivers deep, rich bass without sacrificing room. Enjoy up to 1200 watts of power, enhancing every beat with clarity and precision. Its shallow mount design makes installation effortless, fitting seamlessly into tight spots. Elevate your audio experience with this powerful yet space-saving subwoofer. List number 2. Scar Audio VS10 D4 10-inch 1000 watt max power dual 4-ohm shallow mount car subwoofer. Brand: Scar Audio. Discover the power of the Scar Audio VS10 D4 subwoofer. It delivers up to 1000 watts of deep bass. Designed for those who crave quality sound in tight spaces. This 10-inch subwoofer fits perfectly in shallow mounts. Dual 4-ohm voice coils ensure flexible wiring options. Elevate your car audio experience effortlessly. This subwoofer delivers impressive sound quality. Deep bass that fills the car effortlessly. Perfect for music lovers seeking powerful audio. Installation was a breeze. Fits snugly without sacrificing space. Ideal for compact setups. Great for small cars. Build quality is sturdy and reliable. Designed to last through countless trips. No worries about wear and tear. Performance exceeds expectations. List number 3. MB Quart 400 watt max 200 watt RMS shallow subwoofer, slim car and power sports speaker, discus. Experience powerful sound with the MB Quart 400 watt max subwoofer. Designed for cars and power sports, it fits effortlessly into tight spaces. Enjoy rich bass and clear audio with its slim, shallow design. Durable and stylish, this subwoofer is perfect for music lovers who demand quality. Upgrade your listening experience today and feel the difference. List number 4. Scar Audio DV-12 D2 12-inch 800 watt max power dual 2-ohm shallow mount car subwoofer. Experience deep, rich bass with the Scar Audio VD-12 D2 subwoofer. This 12-inch subwoofer delivers 800 watt max power. Its shallow mount design fits perfectly in tight spaces. Dual 2-ohm voice coils ensure superior sound quality. Enjoy an immersive audio experience in your car. This subwoofer delivers amazing bass. The sound quality is clear and deep. Fits perfectly in my car without taking much space. Easy to install, even for beginners. The build quality is solid and durable. Great value for the price. Makes music come alive with every beat. Perfect choice for car audio lovers. Highly recommend for anyone seeking enhanced sound. List number 5. CT Sounds Hydro 12-inch dual 2-ohm 1000 watt shallow mount car subwoofer. Elevate your car audio experience with the CT Sounds Hydro 12-inch dual 2-ohm subwoofer. This subwoofer delivers powerful, deep bass that transforms your drive. Designed to fit in tight spaces, it offers remarkable sound quality without taking up much room. Its 1000 watt capacity ensures a rich and clear audio performance. Durable construction guarantees long-lasting use, even with heavy bass. Perfect for music lovers seeking quality sound on the go.